How to schedule Instacart delivery. In order to schedule an Instacart delivery, you have to make sure to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to open the Instacart app onto your device and make sure to start adding items to your cart. So once you're done adding items to your cart, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select it. Just like this, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the plus button. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the plus and change the quality or quantity as well if you want to. Start adding the items to your bag by tapping on add to cart, and you want to go to the bag section or the cart from the top right corner of the screen. Here it is. You could just go ahead and select the button and tap on the close button, right? Once you do this, you can just tap on the checkout. On the checkout page, you want to choose delivery window on under the delivery or pickup options. There, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to go ahead and select delivery, and you are just want to go to this page. After which, on the checkout page, choose a delivery window under the checkout and review the details and complete the order. And generally, 2-hour slots are available. Deliveries can schedule for a same day or up to 2 weekends in advance, with slot options available from 9 a.m. to midnight as well. Now, orders can be modified or rescheduled typically up to 7 days after the original date as well. And this way, you're supposed to schedule Instacart delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.